Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Siddharth. On YouTube it's Sage, SK Sage, and if you're watching it on Facebook, it is Code with Sage. So today we'll talk about will not go on to the VS Code today, but if you guys want me to solve these functions in the VS Code, please let me know in the comments. One by one I will I will play this on the VS Code and we will check it out. So there are 7 common mistakes which we make generally in JavaScript as a beginner or those who are doing it intermediate. uh, they make mistakes. So to avoid these mistakes, I have done some little bit research, and in that I have made this PPT. The Actually I did not make this PPT. One of my friend who made this, and credit goes to him. He helped me. He I was in a planning to write the code like we do always. Normally we go on to the VS Code to write the code, but he suggested me. He told me let's do a little bit different. Let's make a PPT and do, because it's quite boring. Sometimes we do the same thing over and over again. So that's why credit goes to him. Thank you so much for making this. So let's start mistake here. See, this first thing is that not using a strict mode. Strict mode help catch common coding errors by enforcing strict rules. Function do something bracket and then curly braces x equal to 10, and then assigning without declaring the variable. uh, you will definitely get an error. So and so that time we go onto the console to check the error. So always use the strict mode, which is uh, which will help you to find the error. So it's better to get the error and fix that thing rather than going ahead and then getting error later on, then you have to start all over again. So second one, not checking for null or undefined. Checking for null or undefined value help prevent runtime error. Function processing data, and if data dot length is greater than 0, then null or defined process data. So that's not the way it should be. Function process data if data and and two times data dot length. So see, very small mistake. Data and is they are using to, it's a modern way to write. So let's go on to the third one. Using loose quality double equal to can lead to unexpected type correlation. It's safer to use strict equality triple equal to for more predictable comparison. Now double equal to is also comparing, and triple equal to is also comparing, but triple equal to compare value as well as type. We know that, right? So if num equal to 5, num double equal to 5, then type correlation may result unexpected behavior. So we will not know what's happening and why we are getting the error. So if we use triple equal to strict comparison, avoid type correlation, so it will do the strict comparison. Now when we go to the fourth, inefficient looping over array. I was also getting lots of error on this. So const, you can see the array now, const numbers equal to 1 2 3 4 5 for let I equal to 0 and I smaller than number dot length I plus plus console dot log, and then we use I. But there is a modern way in ES6 ECMAScript, const number for number dot for each and number equal to console dot log numbers. So there is this is the better way. This is a better way to write, right? Because this is a modern way of writing. This is also correct. This is not, but it will again. I say this is when I made this PPT in such a way, but that does not mean this one is incorrect. Okay, but it will lead to unexpected behavior and you will not know what's happening. If you are too pro, or I mean, if you are too good, not like me, you will be able to resolve and get the, but why to get into a trouble unnecessary? Is better if we have it, use it. So this is a new way writing in efficient manner. Okay, so I'm not saying that old one is incorrect, but unexpected behavior and you will get error. Using conditional statement over ternary operator. Ternary operator offer a concise way to write conditional expression and enhance readability. Let result if x is greater than 10, result greater than 10, else result less than or equal to 10. So this is the old way, and again I say this is also correct, but there is a easy way to write. Let result equal to x greater than 10 question mark greater than 10, or see there is a semicolon. When there is a semicolon, sometime just above the enter also there is a like a pipe. I'm not sure what to say. It's like a pipe, or that also you can use, or semicolon also use less than or equal to 10. So here I don't know why they use semicolon. They should have used that pipe twice. So this is like they should use let result equal to x. So there is a both ways correct. Okay, so this is it guys. Thank you so much for watching. We had a 7 PPT, and these are the important things which we need to keep it in mind to avoid errors. And these all the 4 things which I have told you, these are the important concepts which anyone will use in any damn website or app you are making. You will get this kind of issue. Ternary operator. Okay, just a second. Here and this relying too much on this ternary operator we use so many times, with my experience I'm telling you guys, रट लेना. मैं कभी भी ऐसे नहीं बोलता हूँ कि रट. आई नेवर से दैट just by heart, but sometimes you are mastering a language, and if somebody ask so if somebody ask you, it's not nice to say, yeah, I don't believe in doing anything like it. Remember, I don't remember things, but I understand things. You are mastering a language, come on. So मैंने by heart किया था इसको, and yes, here we can see that not using a default function parameter. Default function parameter provide a fallback value when the arguments are not provided, improving code clarity. Function greet name and name equal to name or guest. See, I was talking about this two pipes. So name equal to name or guest, console.log hello, and then they use the dollar sign with curly braces name. Greet they call the function hello guest. So this is also correct, but bhaiya, there is a better way to write. After 2015 the function greet name equal to guest, more efficient way, name equal to guest, console.log backtick hello, dollar sign curly braces, and then semi that you will find that shift and then 1. So when we call the function greet, it will come output hello guest. If you want guys to if you want me to solve this, please comments down and I will solve all these functions one by one and show you guys. Okay, so this is it guys. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel, and comments down below what kind of topic you guys want me to record and write code on it, and let me know from where you guys are watching this video. So guys, it will because it take a lot of effort to make the video, so please like, share and subscribe. It's it's free. It's not it's free guys. Thank you.